everyone, Christina here, and today we're going to be identifying the degree of a polynomial. So let's get right into it. Now, I know that I have a polynomial here because a polynomial just means that you have more than two terms. And if I look at this mathematical expression, my terms come from the combination of just numbers and variables. And in this case, I have an x squared value, that's one term. I have an x value, so that's a different term. Just, it doesn't have a 2 on the top, it's not raised to the second, so that's a different term. And then I just have a number that has no variable. So this has a total of 3 different terms. And we have to examine those terms to find the degree. Now the degree always comes from your leading, we'll say leading term. And the term, they use that for a mathematical word, leading term, but a term is basically just your variable. So if we want to be a leader of the pack, a leading term, the leading variable or the leading term is the highest one. It's the highest one on the totem pole, right? So the highest variable is the leader. And keep in mind that your variables are your letters. So X, Y, Z, sometimes they might change it up, but just look at those letters and not the numbers. So nobody even cares about this 4 because it doesn't have any letter or any variable attached to it. Now in this case, we have an x squared value. So I have a exponent of 2, and I have just an x value here. If I don't see anything that it's being raised to, it's always raised to the first. So you could always just write a quick little 1 up there just to have the exponent there. And in this case, the highest variable just means that it's the highest exponent. So pick out that highest exponent. In this case, we have the highest exponent being a 2. You're absolutely correct. 2 beats out 1. And that's what your degree is going to be. So in this case, we have a degree of, 2. You could have said this is a second degree polynomial. You could say degree of 2. Doesn't really matter, but that's the end. That's the end for this video. What'd you think? I hope this helps you out. Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to helping you in more, more videos, more topics. I hope you're doing well out there. Keep studying hard. Good luck on your tests and quizzes, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.